Should be a quick tip for you guys. I'm working on a 2008 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter engine. It doesn't matter the engine size because we're working on a radio. Customer complaint, radio works fine and everything except the LCD. There's nothing showing on there. There's no numbers, no station, no information. So I disassembled the radio and I see these two contact points, this one and right here, this one. One of them, this one was pushed. It looked like that it wasn't making any contact. So what you do is you raise it up like this and you make sure the other side also, and you come here, and when I put this piece here, I notice also the place where it makes contact, it had some black stuff on it, so I cleaned it. I don't know if it was caused by spark, loose contact would cause this, so let's try it. I'm gonna put it back in and see how it goes. All right, we just replaced that unit that I just fixed, not sure yet, with the one they bought from the junkyard, although this one has like a cleaner face. But anyways, moment of truth. Yes, so that's the fix. And let's push on now. Okay,
yes, awesome.
thanks for watching.